So typically in STEM we use a raster scan, and so we've implemented an interlaced version of that where you skip rows and come back and fill them in. Another option is the serpentine, which is kind of like a snake where it goes over and back and scans over and back across the image rather than resetting to the left hand side of the image every time. And so all these different scan patterns are trying to spread out the dose across your sample to avoid overlapping scan patterns and having the beam hover for too long on the same area. You also have Moore curve, Hilbert curve, and those are kind of fractal patterns. And you'll see also that we've implemented subsampling. And so you see the regular or random subsampling, and you can just choose that as you want, and then that allows you to do sparse scanning across your sample. So the choice of which scan pattern you use is up to you, but as the point is that with the Dimension plugin for de-emission control, it's really easy. You can just choose whichever scan type you like, and it doesn't change how you do the rest of your experiment. Once you have our Freescan hardware, it's just very easy to use.